First, we will use the push-pull tool to raise our square 4 inches. This is all for the roof. So we'll go to the push-pull tool. This is the push-pull tool right here. We'll click on the push-pull tool and we will select the push-pull tool, click it, and hover over the square. We will first click the square and we'll start raising it up. While we're raising the square up, if you notice in the bottom right hand corner, it has a distance of 21 1/8 inch. We want to make that 4 inches. To make it 4 inches, you notice it's still highlighted. While it's still highlighted, I would type in 4 on my keyboard, Shift and the quotation marks, Enter. That makes my roof 4 inches. The next step, we would use the line tool to find the midpoint, and then we're going to create a ridge. To do that, we'll go find the line tool. It's over here. It looks like a pencil. The line tool. We'll click on the line tool. Again, it looks like a pencil. We'll click on that one. And now we're going to go to the edge and find the midpoint. If I'm releasing my mouse now, you see the midpoint. You don't have to release your mouse, but there's the midpoint. Now I'm going to click once and drag up over. And you notice the inference line. I'm looking for the other midpoint. Once I reach the edge and get the other midpoint, I will release my mouse. Now that I have the midpoint, the ridge, that's where the ridge is going to be, top of the ridge. Now I will use the move tool. I will click on the move tool. That's the move tool right there. Click it. Now I'm on the edge right there. Once I'm on the edge, I will raise the roof. Click once to raise it. And if you notice, you see that that dotted line, black dotted line, I'm looking for the blue solid line. See, on the blue axis. Once it's on the blue axis, I can let go. So if I rotate it around, it's on the blue axis. But I can also raise this roof 12, 20 inches, depends on what I want. I can pick and choose. But for this project, we will raise it 12 inches. So I'm going to click Control Z to undo what I just did. So anytime you find that you made a mistake, you can click Control Z, or you can click the undo arrow up there. I will click Control Z. That allows me to start over. Use the move tool. Find on the edge now. I will raise it up. There's the blue on the blue axis. Once I release it, I will type 12, Shift, quotation. I can do 12 inches or I can do 1 feet. So 1 feet would be 1 apostrophe. You have that choice and it'll be the same thing. Then I'm going to click, so 12, quotation, enter. and it raised it 12 inches. The next thing we would do is to group this roof. To group it, the reason why we're going to group it, we will group it so it would function as one complete unit. If I don't group it, and just look at this, I'm using this move tool here. If I move it, you notice it will not move together. So I'm going to do Control Z to put it back in the form that I want. And then I'm going to use the select tool right there, the arrow there, select tool, and I will click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you notice now, all of the geometric sizes are highlighted. On this box, the roof, I will right click on it and I will click Make Group. We will be using Make Component later, and Make Group, you would use that button if you only plan to use it one time. So we will only have one roof. Later on, we'll go into more details about Make Components. So for right now, we'll just click Make Group. If you notice, everything is in this little box right here. So now if I use the move tool, remember before when I use the move tool, it pulled my roof all out of shape. So now when I click on the move tool and I move it around, it's operating as one unit. So now we're going to, the last thing we're going to do in this part of the video is we're going to raise it up on the blue axis. I'll release it, and we're going to raise the roof 8 feet. So that'd be 8 apostrophe. If you look at the bottom right hand corner where you see distance, and click enter on the keyboard. It didn't disappear, it just raised above out of my view area. So if I zoom out, you will see the roof is raised up. So I'm zooming out. So it just raised it up 8 feet. So that's how you make a roof. We made the roof, we raised it, initially we raised it 4 inches. Then we gave it a ridge of 12 inches. We used the midpoint tool to find that. We used the line tool to find the midpoint. Then we clicked it 3 times to make it a group. In the next video, we'll talk about components and copying pillars.